Alright, welcome to lesson 3 of math. We are officially halfway through our school week. Not school year, that was my bad. School week! Yay! Alright, so today we're going to practice counting by twos all the way from 2 to 20 and then backwards. So I'm going to take out my hands. I'm going to use my fingers to guide me. So we're going to start here. The first one is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now we're going backwards. 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. All right, good job. All right, so now we're going to look at what I drew on my little whiteboard here, and we're looking at groups. Remember, this whole lesson for this first module is about multiplication and division. So as we can see, how many groups are circled right now? How many groups do I have? So to determine the groups, this is my first group, my second group, and my third group. So I have 3 groups. Now I want to know how many dots are in each group. How many pink dots are in each group? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 3 groups and 5 dots in each group. So now I want to write an addition or repeated addition sentence to describe this. So I'm going to use over here. I'm going to do this so you can see. So this had how many dots? Again, 5 plus, there's 5 dots in this one, 5 plus, how many dots in this one? Again, 5. Gives me a total of, we're going to skip count by 5s right here. 5, 10, 15. So it gives me a total of 15 dots. So this is my repeated addition sentence because I'm adding 5 plus 5 plus 5. I'm just repeating my addition. But now I want to be able to write a multiplication sentence about this. So how am I going to write a multiplication sentence? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is look at how many groups. I have 3 groups. So 3 is going to be my first number. 3 times, how many in each group? I have 5 in each group, so 3 times 5 gives us a total of, what's the total amount of dots? 15. So my 3 times 5 equals 15, and my 5 plus 5 plus 5 both give me the same answer, which is our total. And that is our warm-up for today. All right, so now we're going to apply this into a problem. So Robbie sees a carton of eggs. We want to find the total amount of eggs Robbie has. So over here we can see this is a carton of Robbie's eggs. Now we could just count them individually, but the way it's set up is an array. So that's what we're going to be working with today. So for an array, it's always good to remember it's how many rows times how many in each row. So as we learned yesterday right here, here are the rows, and this is how many in each row. So let's count. There's 1, 2 rows, so 2 times how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 times 6 will give us our answer for the total amount of eggs. So I'm holding up 6 fingers, and I'm going to count by 2s till all my fingers are down. So we're going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It should give us a total of 12 eggs. So it's how many rows times how many in each row. And now we're going to talk about a number bond. We talked about that on Wednesday, we're just gonna go over it again. So here, if I take this is the total number of eggs, 12. And this is the part. This is row 1, which has 6, and this is row 2, which has 6. So this, it's good to remember this. This has the whole, and these are the parts of the whole. So if I add 6 plus 6, I'm going to get 12, or 2 times 6, I'm going to get 12. All right, and that is it for our math lesson here. If you want to pause and look at the homework assignments, they're right here. They're also linked in on Edmodo. I will also be doing another link of the video just in case if you want to get another view or if you just want to get another explanation of today's lesson. I'll have extra help video links in Edmodo as well. Thank you.